Right now it's giving crust, like very much crusty, crustacean, whatever you want to call it. Like I'm getting crusty vibes. So the sponsor of this video is AliPearl Hair. They sent me the wig that I'm going to be using in this video, and I will put all the details about it below. And y'all, I recorded this application process not once, but twice, because the first time I just felt like it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. But I'm going to show y'all the entire process for both applications, and I want y'all to let me know which one was giving the most. So first I started off by rinsing the hair jet black, and then I began bleaching the knots. So the next step that I took was applying the ball cap method, which I absolutely hate, but I just applied that with a little bit of Got To Be, blew it dry, and then applied a little bit of makeup over the top so that it had the best blend. And clearly it's been a long time, because why was I using scissors to cut this ball cap instead of an eyebrow razor? Like, somebody help me. It's literally been over a year since I have installed a wig, so I'm a little rusty, but your girl hasn't lost it. So I opted to use freeze spray instead of glue, because y'all, that glue be tearing my skin up. It don't matter how much skin protector, whatever I use, like the glue be tearing me up. So of course I used the freeze spray in small sections, then I blew it dry to give the best hold, and then I remembered my eyebrow razor this time to cut away the excess lace once everything is dry. Right now it's giving crust, like very much crusty, crustacean, whatever you want to call it. Like I'm getting crusty vibes, but I'm gonna trust the process. So to help with the crust and the white cast, I took a little bit of foam around the perimeter of the wig. Then I laid it down with this elastic band, because like apparently that's what everybody's doing now instead of the scarf. So that's what I did, and then bam, it actually looked good. But y'all, like for me, it still wasn't giving. Like it just wasn't giving. So here are the results of the first application process, and it looks good, but like I don't know if it was serving me what I wanted to be served. But y'all are gonna help me decide. So once I looked back at everything and realized I wasn't satisfied, I re-washed the wig. Then I went back in and I plucked some more, because I was like, I need thinner. Like I need a thinner hairline. I also did one of my favorite things ever when it comes to wigs, which is sew an elastic band on the wig, just because I just like that extra security. It's something about a band on my wigs that just makes me feel like the wig is there to stay. You know what I'm saying? And guess what, y'all? I didn't even put on no ball cap this time, because I'm sick of that shit. So I just added the wig on without the ball cap, and to me it was still giving. So we're gonna try this application process over again with the same steps without the ball cap. So once again, I'm just taking the freeze spray. I'm working in a little bit smaller sections this time. And then of course I'm going over it with the blow dryer so it dries and it secures a good, nice, firm hold. And then of course we always have to clean up the crust. You got to clean up the crust. So I just took some alcohol to clean up like the excess dried freeze spray as much as I could. And these next steps are literally exactly the same. I did cut the baby hairs down a little bit shorter, but then I laid the baby hairs down. I put foam all around the hairline of the wig, and then I tied the wig down. Now, I did not tie it down with that elastic band this time. I tied it down with this little silk wrap, and then I double tied it with my own scarf so that it's extra tight and pressing into that skin. So of course, since I did not do the ball cap method on my second application, I'm gonna have to do something to make it look more realistic and blend better. So in that case, this is gonna be adding the makeup. So I just took a little bit of makeup that I have. I used powder foundation and I added all along the hairline and in the part so that it blends better with my skin tone. And then this is the final look. And that wraps up this video, y'all. So let me know if you were feeling install application 1 or install application 2. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.